So I want to talk about creating YouTube shorts. If you are in countries like India and a couple of other ones, you have that feature in your app. So cool. But for people like me in the United States and other parts of the world, according to YouTube, if we use hashtag shorts in the title or description, that qualifies us to get traffic or to get featured in the shorts panel. Guess what? I did some testing and I found something interesting. Let me share the results with you. So check this out. Here's a short video, so 44 seconds. This did not have hashtag short in the description or title or description, right? Now let's look at the analytics for this video. So if I go to analytics, go to reach, scroll down and look at this. So we got 64% of the traffic from shorts panel. And I'm seeing this across many short videos. So something is happening. I don't know if it's a fluke. I don't know if YouTube has changed something. I'm gonna do some more testing. So it seems like you don't have to use the hashtag shorts in the title or description, but I believe your video has to be vertical, the 9:16, and also less than 60 seconds. I'm gonna do some more testing, but I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you're seeing the same thing. Maybe YouTube is changing something in the algorithm of the YouTube shorts. I'm gonna definitely do some more testing and see what happens, but let me know if you're seeing the same thing. It seems like we don't have to use YouTube or hashtag shorts to get traffic from shorts panel. And before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.